Hi there, students. Behind the times. Okay, if you say something or someone is behind the times, you say they are old-fashioned. He's very old-fashioned and his way of thinking is behind the times. The school wants to update its computer system because the one it's got is really behind the times. Many hospitals are struggling with equipment and facilities that are behind the time and they require investment. Okay, so behind the times. Notice if you say something is behind the time, you're saying it's old-fashioned. If you're saying it's critical, you're saying this critically. Yeah. So normally it's a way or a system of doing things. A way of getting things done. So behaving in an outdated way. Yeah, my granddad doesn't have a cell phone, so he's behind the times. Okay, so behind the times. If you're behind the times, you don't have the latest smartphone. So no, I don't have an iPhone 731. What is it, 17 or 15 or something, because I'm behind the times. Or behind the times, you don't have the latest information on this. So I never knew that restaurant had gone bankrupt. I'm really behind the times. Greg and Susan have split up and I didn't know about it. I'm behind the times. Yeah, I'm behind the times. I had no idea you were promoted to the CEO of the company. But normally this is talking about something that's old-fashioned. Yeah, her clothes are a bit old-fashioned. I'm wondering if the Mr. Biden and Mr. Trump are both behind the times, out of date, old-fashioned, not keeping up with the current methods, ideas. Your accounting methods are behind the times. Yeah, Dickens used this. I'm old-fashioned and behind the times, outdated. It's something that, I guess unless you renew everything the whole time, you end up being behind the times, out of date, old-fashioned, obsolete, outmoded, antiquated, disused, passé. I quite like the word passé for behind the times. Yeah, so you don't know the latest ideas, the latest techniques, the latest way of doing things. Yeah, so behind the times. Maybe I'm still here, sitting here making videos. Maybe I'm behind the times, and I should be just telling artificial intelligence to do it. No. So yeah, your teacher is surprisingly behind the times. The country is behind the times when it comes to protecting the environment. The technology they use is behind the times. The company's marketing plan is behind the times. Yeah, it's old-fashioned. Okay, so behind the times. Yeah, the computer you use is behind the times. It makes it very slow. Okay, so it's something that doesn't have the latest knowledge. It's not using the current ideas, the current styles. Yeah, but notice if you're saying behind the times, you're being critical. Yeah, the times is referred to the present time and to modern fashions. So if you're behind the time, you're not keeping up with the times. You're not keeping up with fashion. You're being unfashionable. So behind the times. What would I give this in formality? Behind the times. I think I would give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. So antiquated, obsolete, outdated. Yeah, our equipment is a bit behind the times. Okay, the clothes you wear are so behind the times. Yeah, he was about 50 years behind the times. So behind the times.